Well, time for a Shoestring Shipyard update. Right now I'm walking where the Downeast used to be. Nope, no more Downeast, not in this position. I was able to take everything off the Downeast that I need or I'm going to use, and then I moved the Downeast to another part of my property. We have about 50 acres here on the farm in a wooded area, and I was able to get the boat off the trailer with the use of my tractor and some other equipment, working by myself. And so I'm going to turn this camera around, and this is the trailer. So this is the trailer that came with the Downeast when I bought it, and I'm going to do a complete refit on it. I'm going to have to reconfigure it for my new sailboat that I'm building, but I also want to refurbish the trailer. I want to redo the wheel bearings, repack them, make sure they're okay, replace them if I need to, check out the tires and see what's going on with that, and reconfigure the bed and all that good stuff. So that's what needs to be done. Now, we've had some funky weather. As I come around here, see the mast and the boom it's all stripped of hardware, it's ready to go. I'm waiting for a good weather window because well, I have all the chemicals I need and all the other materials to strip it all down and to clean it up and then prime it with the self-etching primer, put a different kind of primer over that and then paint them. But I need a weather window of a couple of days. Right now, you can see I haven't even uncovered the sailboat yet. The weather's a little funky. We have some nice days. As you can see, I'm in a t-shirt right now. It's pretty warm out. It's about 58 degrees Fahrenheit, which I think is around 14 or 15 degrees Celsius for my metric friends, somewhere in that vicinity. And but the thing is we wake up in the morning and it's below freezing, and that's about 32 degrees Fahrenheit, or for my metric friends it would be 0 degrees Celsius. It's right in and around there, sometimes a little bit less. And the other morning we woke up with snow on the ground, and and right now it's April 21st that I'm recording this. So I just need the weather to cooperate, and I think in a few days I will get that weather window. It's too cold to use the chemicals and the paint on the mast, and I just took the boat off the trailer, so I haven't started in on the trailer yet. I do have all the parts inside in the shop, and I'm going to start, well, I've already started going through them, cleaning them up, inspecting them, and I'll be refurbishing anything that needs to be refurbished. So I'll have them all ready to go, all inventoried, so when I start putting the new sailboat together and outfitting it, I'll be good to go. Sorry for the wind noise. I don't have an external mic with a sock or anything. This is I'm using my GoPro Hero 5 to film this. So that's just a quick update, and I'll have more for you next week, and thanks for watching.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say, you should hear it. Oh, I'm happy to make time for your feelings, but you have to admit